This wardrobe we have done in a space. If you can see this wall, this is the whole depth. It was already given by the builder, so we have done it here, and we have just put partition and shelf and drawer what client wanted. This is a 6 door with loft, and there is another room which I'll show you here. This is all the same thing. Both sides there is a wall. We have just put partition inside, shelf and whatever. I'll show you the full video later on, but there is a loft. So now normally what they were keeping, this is now the full, they have full storage inside. For any of your inquiries for wardrobe and kitchen, please you can call me on 98240 and my Instagram ID is modular.kitchen. Thank you very much.